Magandang gabi mga kapasyal. Night tour tayo sa Singapore. So titingnan natin, papanoorin natin yung gabi dito sa Singapore. Para makita natin kung anong itsura pag gabi. Galing nga. Tingnan niyo yung yung mga ilaw. Yeah. Mahal siguro ang mga kotse dito? Mahal? Expensive?
Yeah.
Yung mga kotse?
Yeah, millions.
Yeah.
Because a normal car is like $200,000.
Ah, talaga?
Car. So nice one to be millions.
Oo nga. Bakit? Parang
So,
maingay.
like, kung bibili ka lang ng, like, for example, a Ford na sasakyan.
Naglalakad
That's
kami,
a kind
guys.
of normal na sasakyan sa Pilipinas.
Ah.
The Ford,
Oh yeah.
mahal dito.
May
Oh,
Ford
yeah.
ba dito?
Yeah. It's mahal.
Ah.
This is 100,000 just for the license to buy a car,
Oh.
and then the car has to be like brand new, imported,
Wow,
everything.
mataas
Oh, so bawal ang second hand?
Kailangan bago?
Yeah.
Needs to be
There's
brand
like
new?
a limit on how long it can be, like 5 years old or 10 years old.
So paano na? Itatapon. They will throw it away. Itatapon.
Yeah.
Talaga?
They want the air to be clean, the cars to be nice.
Doon
But
kasi
it's in the-
sa Pilipinas, kahit 10 taon pa, even if 10 years,
No,
20
it's
years.
not 10. You can.
Yeah.
Years.
Yeah, basta.
Kasi the engine is...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or as long as you get fooled by the seller.
Yeah. Biggest 10 years, yeah.
Wow, ang
She
ganda.
got a second hand car. She got fooled.
Oh, you're saying it's breaking, yeah.
She keeps on repairing it. Spends a lot. It's like just buying a new brand.
Yeah.
Kasi kuripot ako. Alam mo kuripot?
Oh, alam ko.
Kuripot ako eh. Gusto ko mura. I want cheap. So ayun tuloy. Nabudol ako. Niloko ako. I got scammed. You know.
It's just you see the light show, yeah.
Yeah.
Over there, yeah.
So ano na to? What's this place na? Ano na to?
Still, the look.
Dilo?
So this is like Raffles. Yeah, a different area now. The area is very small. Yeah.
Ganda pala
Kasi
dito
we
pag gabi.
got out to Raffles,
Oh, Raffles Station.
Uy, ang ganda doon. Ganda doon.
The Raffles Station is just there, yeah.
Akala ko that's the place already. Sabi ko, ang ganda naman dito. This place is nice. Hindi ko lang na-video
Oh, yeah,
kanina.
Raffles is very nice.
Yeah, hindi ko lang na-video kasi nagmamadali kami. Wasn't able to take a video because we're in a hurry. Kanina sabi ko, ito saan ako?
Yeah, it's very nice here. All the banks are here. All the...
Yeah, may CIMB. Na namin nadaanan. We just passed by CIMB Bank.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Malaysian Bank. Yeah.
Yeah. Yung Malaysian Bank pala
so,
yung...
yeah.
Kaya pala.
Yeah. Sometimes they have otters in the water, like sea otters. Yeah. You would have seen in the zoo. Sometimes they have in
What is
the
that?
ocean over there. The ocean is just there, yeah. Yeah, this is Raffles.
Ay, oo nga. Diyan kami kanina. Dali lang. May buwan. What's buwan?
Moon.
Yeah, tama. Yeah, so ibig sabihin walang ulan, right? No rain.
Stars.
Kasi kasi may buwan, there's moon.
No.
Ano? Mayroong
Stars.
mga bituin, stars.
Between
Walang bituin. Wala. Baka uulan.
Sand satellite.
Ang ganda ng lights
Not
niya.
like this sa alternate.
Ito ang
Kapunta ka ng
gusali.
Oh yeah. I used
Ganda,
to
oh.
live there never saw before, yeah.
Oh, you live there too?
Yeah.
Kabisado mo na
Yeah, but I've
talaga.
lived in lots of places, yeah.
Yan, ang opisina mo, UGB, right? UOB?
Yeah,
UGB.
UOB.
UOB pala. Okay. Ayan. Akala ko, puro na lang MRT ang mapapanood ko. I thought I only see MRT only in this place. At least now, nakikita ko na yung talaga, yung totoong, yung ibang mukha, another face of Singapore. Kasi 2 araw sa MRT lang. For 2 days, only in the MRT and bus. I thought that was Singapore already. Pero ito, syudad na talaga. It's really a city. Galing, ganda. Wow, ang tayog, ang taas, mga kapasyal. Yan. So, gabi ito ngayon sa Singapore. Unang beses na may ganito pala. Akala ko MRT lang. Kung mapapanood ko dito or makikita ko dito sa Singapore. May Ascot Hotel to, ano, di ba? Eh, dadaan tayo.
Maraming bangko.
Oo, man.
Kasi it's a financial hub siguro sa Asia. Itong ano.
TikTok.
TikTok. Ay, oo nga. ByteDance.
TikTok?
Yeah, that's how I own TikTok. ByteDance, yeah.
Siya ang may-ari. Owner? Talaga? Owner pala yung ByteDance ng TikTok. Pero wala nang parang binaban yung TikTok sa Amerika ngayon. I don't know. Alam mo ba yon? It's banned in America. Yung TikTok yata.
I don't know. I think sometimes, I think I'm unsure.
Baka hindi natuloy. Maybe did. Yeah. Okay. Yan.
First world country ang Singapore.
It's modern. Makabago talaga.
So is it Singapore lang at Japan ang first world sa Asia?
At saka Korea.
Yeah, South Korea.
Yeah, South Korea, yeah.
Mhm.
At saka Hong Kong.
Hong Kong. Hong Kong, oh.
But Hong Kong is
It's probably like
kind of messy. I
Yeah.
mean, I've never...
There's like a nice part and then there's like a not nice part.
Oo. Unlike sa Singapore, kasi when nasa MRT kami, I was trying to see nasan yung rural or like kind of the poor place. Like,
Wala. Wala
Oh,
dito.
well, that's part there, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. These tower blocks, yeah.
Tapos sa Hong Kong, I think may mga...
Oh yeah, in Hong Kong they have, and they have old villages, rural areas, yeah.
Oh, wow. Ano yan dyan? What's that?
NBA.
Yan. Marina Bay? Wow.
Tapos like dancing na...
Wow, ang dilim ha. Oh, ano yan?
Walk there. You'll get to MRT to Alginate, is it? There's an MRT there.
MRT?
May MRT
May
doon?
MRT? So,
I think
pwede.
that's the easiest MRT, yeah.
Going to saan? Ano yung...
You're going to Alginate, is it?
Yeah, pauwi. Customs house. Maganda ito pag sa umaga din.
我们走到这个广场了呢，我们都不知道去哪里啊？
Ngit-ngit, Dave. Can you make it?
that's the...
Pwede na eh.
ano.
Oh no, it says the best way is Raffles.
Raffles. So,
You
lubat
look around
to.
here and then
Lubat na? Okay guys, madilim na. So, hanggang dito na lang. Paalam. Ingat.
Tagalog